Mexico, a diverse tapestry of culture and landscapes, unfolds with historic richness and natural splendor. From the bustling markets of Mexico City to the ancient pyramids of Teotihuacan, its history is etched in vibrant colors. Cozumel's coral reefs and Cancun's pristine beaches showcase its coastal beauty. In Oaxaca, culinary delights and indigenous traditions converge. Chichen Itza stands as a testament to its ancient civilizations. The colonial charm of Guanajuato and the vibrant celebrations of Dia de los Muertos add cultural depth. Mexico, with its warm hospitality and UNESCO treasures, is a mosaic where tradition meets modernity amid breathtaking scenery. Ready to explore the world? Subscribe to our travel channel and join us on incredible journeys to stunning destinations. Hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on our latest videos. Don't miss out. Subscribe and let the exploration begin. Number 1. Teotihuacan, located near Mexico City, is a renowned ancient Mesoamerican city, flourishing between 150 BCE and 650 CE. Dominated by the massive Pyramid of the Sun and Pyramid of the Moon, it was a major cultural and economic center, housing a diverse population. The city's original builders remain unknown, and its name, Teotihuacan, means the place where the gods were created. The Avenue of the Dead, a central thoroughfare, connects various architectural marvels, including residential complexes and temples. Despite its mysterious decline, Teotihuacan's influence endured, leaving an indelible mark on Mesoamerican cultures and standing as a UNESCO World Heritage Site today. 2. Chichen Itza, situated on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, represents a remarkable Mayan archaeological site. Flourishing from the 6th to 10th centuries CE, it reached its zenith as a political and cultural hub. The iconic Kukulkan Pyramid, also known as El Castillo, stands as the centerpiece, showcasing advanced astronomical precision during equinoxes. The Great Ball Court, the largest of its kind, highlights the city's significance in the Mesoamerican ballgame. Chichen Itza's diverse architectural wonders, including the Temple of the Warriors and the Observatory, underscore its historical and cultural importance. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it remains a testament to Mayan civilization's achievements. 3. Tulum, a coastal Mayan archaeological site on the Riviera Maya in Mexico, thrived from the 13th to the 15th centuries. Perched atop cliffs overlooking the Caribbean Sea, it served as a major trading and seaport city. Tulum's structures, including El Castillo and the Temple of the Frescoes, showcase Mayan architectural finesse. The site's defensive wall, once protecting against invasions, underscores its strategic importance. Tulum's unique combination of archaeological significance and stunning coastal views makes it a popular tourist destination today. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Tulum stands as a captivating testament to Mayan civilization's coastal legacy. 4. Copper Canyon, located in the Sierra Madre Occidental in Mexico, is a mesmerizing network of 6 interconnected canyons, deeper and larger than the Grand Canyon. Its breathtaking landscapes are adorned with rugged terrain, vibrant flora, and indigenous Tarahumara communities. The Urique, Batopilas, and Sinforosa canyons, among others, form this natural wonder. Visitors can explore via hiking, ziplining, or taking the scenic Ferrocarril Chihuahua al Pacifico train. The canyon's diverse ecosystems showcase the beauty of Mexico's biodiversity. Copper Canyon is not only a geological marvel, but also a cultural tapestry, weaving history, tradition, and the awe-inspiring forces of nature. 5. El Arco, also known as the Arch of Cabo San Lucas, is an iconic rock formation at the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula in Mexico. Carved by the relentless sea, this natural arch stands proudly amidst the meeting point of the Pacific Ocean and the Sea of Cortez. Its unique shape and the surrounding azure waters create a stunning visual spectacle. Boat tours offer visitors an up-close view, showcasing the arch's grandeur and the diverse marine life inhabiting the area. El Arco is not just a geological wonder, it's a symbol of the captivating beauty found at the crossroads of land and sea. 6. Cozumel, Mexico's largest Caribbean island, is a tropical paradise renowned for its vibrant coral reefs and crystal-clear waters. Nestled off the Yucatan Peninsula, it beckons divers and snorkelers with the mesmerizing Palencar Reef. The island's lush jungles house ancient Mayan ruins, adding a cultural dimension to its allure. San Miguel, the main town, exudes a laid-back charm with its colorful streets and lively waterfront. Cozumel is a haven for water sports enthusiasts, offering not only captivating underwater experiences, but also opportunities for kayaking, sailing, and beach relaxation. Its blend of natural beauty and cultural richness makes it a sought-after Caribbean gem. 7. Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead in Oaxaca, Mexico, is a vibrant and poignant celebration honoring departed loved ones. Beginning on October 31st, families create elaborate altars adorned with marigolds, candles, and mementos. Graves are adorned, and streets come alive with colorful processions and skull-painted faces. The aroma of traditional foods like mole and pan de muerto fills the air as locals and visitors engage in festivities. The cemetery, particularly the Panteon General, becomes a focal point for heartfelt remembrance. Dia de los Muertos in Oaxaca is a harmonious blend of indigenous beliefs and Catholicism, a profound celebration of life and death. 8. Guanajuato, a UNESCO World Heritage City in central Mexico, captivates with its colonial charm and rich history. The city, nestled in a mountainous terrain, boasts colorful, narrow streets adorned with well-preserved Spanish colonial architecture. The iconic Callejón del Beso, Alley of the Kiss, and the subterranean streets add to its unique allure. Guanajuato is a cultural hub, hosting the International Cervantes Festival and housing the Diego Rivera Museum in the childhood home of the famous muralist. The city's historic silver mines, like La Valenciana, contribute to its storied past. Guanajuato is a captivating blend of art, history, and picturesque landscapes. 9. The Cathedral Metropolitana, situated in the heart of Mexico City's Zocalo, is a grandiose masterpiece and a symbol of the country's colonial heritage. Built over 3 centuries, its construction spans various architectural styles, from Baroque to neoclassical. Towering spires, intricate facades, and awe-inspiring chapels adorn this colossal cathedral, which is one of the largest in the Americas. The interior is equally impressive, housing exquisite altars, religious artworks, and a crypt holding the remains of bishops and cardinals. A testament to Mexico's deep-rooted religious and cultural history, the Cathedral Metropolitana remains a focal point in the heart of the capital. 10. Palenque, an ancient Maya city nestled in the lush jungles of Chiapas, Mexico, unveils a rich archaeological tapestry. Renowned for its stunning temples and pyramids, such as the Temple of the Inscriptions and the Palace, Palenque flourished between the 7th and 10th centuries. The site's intricately carved stelae and sculptures depict the city's rulers, religious rituals, and cosmology. Palenque's exquisite Mayan architecture is framed by the surrounding tropical greenery, creating a surreal blend of nature and ancient civilization. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Palenque invites visitors to explore the mysteries of the Maya amidst the enchanting ambience of the jungle.